Alright, today I'm at the Shepherd Pass trailhead. Be heading up towards Mount Williamson in a little while. It's going to be a long day. We got to go up through Shepherd Pass. It's going to be a nice morning. It's supposed to warm up quite a bit today. Alright, we're continuing our way up. Kind of back behind us here is Williamson. Hopefully we'll be up there tomorrow or the next day. Pretty good hike so far. We still got a long way to go. We still got to go around this valley that way and then shoot around the backside. Go up, get around to the Williamson Bowl on the backside. At least it's a nice day. This is Anvil Camp. We're staying here tonight. Tomorrow we'll go up over Shepherd Pass and then try to climb one of the big peaks. There's the sunrise. Just came up from Anvil Camp. Now we're heading up to Shepherd Pass. That way. Up to that little saddle up there, that Shepherd Pass. Alright, we're continuing to work our way up the pass this way. And hopefully we'll get up there soon. Take too long, then maybe we'll go up one of the peaks later. It's definitely a nice morning. There's the sun coming up. Alright, this is Shepherd Pass in front of us. Looks like we got to go up the snow the hard way. There's no more. Alright, we made it up the steep slope. So we got Tyndall over here. Alright, this is our camp here at Shepherd Pass. Up here it's Mount Tyndall. There's some lake here. Alright, we're coming up on the base of Tyndall, which we're climbing today. Supposedly going up this ridge. Then hopefully tomorrow, Williamson. This is Williamson over here. Alright, we're headed up Tyndall, headed up this rib. It's about a class 3. All right, we're moving up our way up Mount Tyndall. See over here, hopefully Mount Williamson over there. We're about roping in right now. So far we came up this area down here, straight up this rock pile. Get that from up between your legs.
If the rope feels weird, step over it behind you. Yep. Anytime you want to do that, feel free.
It's a nice view. Pretty much every direction.
You can see like Big Pine all the way to Lone Pine pretty much.
Go up this, we're about to go up this steep snow slope. Kind of like the final obstacle.
Here and step on the dirt. All right.
All right, we made this summit ridge.
What's that?
You're coming up the steep slope.
Oh. The narrators.
And then, see down this way. We just came up this thing here. Is up this way. This is the summit ridge on Mount Tyndall. Almost there.
Catching from falling off the whole mountain.
Oh, I'll just be here.
What's that?
I'll just be here.
What do you mean?
I won't do it.
You can if you want. But just let me put a rope on you so I can keep you from falling off the whole mountain.
Okay.
It's easy.
All right, there we go.
Here we go. Summit. Good job, Mike. Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.
All right, heading up to the true summit. Got this last little section of rock.
There you go.
That is Tyndall.
Awesome.
Amazing view. Thanks, Dave, for getting us up here.
Yoop, yoop.
Wow, it's amazing. You said this is Whitney over here, right?
Whitney is that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Then right to the left of it with the big snow slope, that's Russell.
Okay, and Mount Russell's over there.
Langley is in the back, the one that
Williamson's
looks
over there.
like a ramp.
Let's go around this way.
Kauai's there. Then if you look up there, you can see all the Palisades there.
We've got Mount Tyndall. A couple of marmots up here. All right, the morning sun's hitting Tyndall. Pretty nice. We're on our way over to Williamson. Straight out in front of us here.
I don't know, the elevation difference is so big. Let me take a picture.
Sure.
How many feet do we drop?
About 400.
All right, we're approaching Williamson now. Our route is this chute here, going up that way. All right, this is Williamson. Our route is sort of up this chute here. So we're switching over to crampons and ice axe harnesses right now. Looks like it's going to be a challenging day. Scrolling around. It's definitely nice out here. You see Tyndall, that's where we were yesterday. We're continuing to work our way up. Come up quite a way so far. You can see down that way. That's where we moving up. You see the valley down there? Heading upwards. All right, we're most of the way up the chute. This has been a grueling uphill. Definitely a tough day. You can see we came all the way down from there and then way over to the right. Definitely a nice day, but grueling. We've got a little section up here. There's more snow. Our guide is checking it out to make sure that it's safe. Again, this is not the normal route because the other route was blocked by snow. All right, we got through that gully. Now we got to go around the corner here, up some snow,
That's it.
and then do another gully, and then hopefully up to the top. Okay, we got to go up here, and then up. Well, this section's a little gnarly.
Yeah. This is
Right,
not the
Josh?
usual route. It's not the usual route.
Yeah, we just came right along this little snow ridge. That's brutal. Okay, we just came from here and we're moving up this way. Not quite straight up. All right, we're here on Williamson. Got to a spot that is basically not really passable. We're gonna have to call it a day, a little bit short of the summit. So, definitely been a tough climb. Nice day. We still got a long way to go to get back.